In this session, we are addressing money pain at the deepest level where it actually lives, in the body and nervous system. Money pain is not logical. It is not about math, income, or budgeting. It is the emotional imprint left behind by years of stress, pressure, fear, instability, or survival around money. Many people carry money pain without realizing it. It shows up as anxiety when checking balances, tension when bills arrive, guilt around wanting more, or a constant sense of urgency or scarcity even when things are improving. This happens because the body learns to associate money with threat. Over time, the nervous system stays activated, always preparing for loss, judgment, or danger. In this state, abundance cannot feel safe, even if it arrives. This session is not about forcing positive beliefs or pretending money has never hurt. It is about acknowledging the truth of your experience and gently releasing the emotional charge stored in your system. When money pain is cleared, the body begins to relax. The mind becomes clearer. Decisions feel lighter. You are no longer reacting from survival, but responding from safety. This session creates the foundation for every money upgrade that follows. We are teaching your body that money does not have to hurt anymore. We are restoring neutrality, calm, and safety around money so that the future abundance has a stable place to land. This is where healing actually begins. So before we begin tapping, let's slow everything down. Go ahead and close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Take another deep breath in and let it go. One more breath, even slower this time. And release. As you breathe, notice your body. Notice any tension, tightness, or heaviness when you think about money. You don't need to fix it, just notice it. Let your awareness rest there for a moment. Money pain is not something you chose. It is something you learned. And right now you are safe. So now open your eyes and we'll begin tapping. So start with the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though money has caused me stress, pressure, or pain, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though money has felt heavy or overwhelming at times, I choose to honor myself anyway. Even though part of me associates money with fear or struggle, I choose to feel safe right now. Now let's move to the eyebrow point. All this money stress, side of eye. All this pressure around money, under eye. All the times money felt scary, under the nose. All the emotional weight I've been carrying. Chin. This money pain stored in my body. Collarbone. This tension around money. Under the arm. This survival energy. Top of the head. I'm noticing it now. Eyebrow. Maybe I learned money equals stress. Side of eye. Maybe money never felt safe. Under the eye. Maybe I've been bracing for loss. Under the nose. Holding my breath around money. Chin. Carrying fear without realizing it. Collarbone. My body learned to stay alert. Under the arm. Always preparing for the worst. Top of the head. I see this pattern now. Eyebrow. I don't need to fight money anymore. Side of the eye. I don't need to fear money anymore. Under the eye, I can release this old pain. Under the nose, I can soften around money. Chin, I can let my body relax. Collarbone, money doesn't have to hurt. Under the arm, I am safe right now. Top of the head, I choose calm. Eyebrow, I release stored money stress. Side of the eye, I release old financial fear. Under the eye, I release emotional pressure. Under the nose, I release survival energy. Chin, I allow neutrality with money. Collarbone, I allow peace. Under the arm, I allow ease. Top of the head, I allow safety. I am separating money from pain. I am teaching my body that money can be safe. I am allowed to feel calm around finances. I choose a new relationship with money in body, mind, and spirit. Now, let's stop tapping, close your eyes again, and take a slow breath in and gently release it. Take another breath, letting your shoulders drop a bit. As you breathe, imagine money as neutral energy. Not good or bad, just information, just movement, just something that can exist without stress attached to it. Imagine your body responding calmly to money. No urgency, no fear, no pressure, just steadiness. Let that feeling settle in. One more deep breath in and out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.